In this tutorial, you will learn how to explore free templates on Prezi. Open Prezi.com. Create an account on Prezi to begin. Click Presentations on the left. At the top, you will find the option to create from template. Select this option. You will now see a variety of templates. To filter down according to your needs, select Education and Nonprofit from the left menu. Here you can also filter for color. Scroll down to browse through the templates. When you see a template that you like, click on that template. A preview of the template will pop up. Use the arrows at the bottom of the template to navigate it. If you would like to try using that template, tap Use this template at the bottom. Name your presentation and choose the privacy settings, and you are all set to create a presentation.